Today I'm going to show you some basic paneling in a simple format. Firstly, I like to put up a backing board, MDF 12mm. Here at the moment it's 2400 from wall to wall. Then I fix that to the wall. You can use either turbo bonds or we can pin it to the wall, which I've already done. Then I get my plinth, 150mm plinth, put it in position. Tack it home. Now I have to divide up the panels evenly. So how I do that is as follows. We're going to have 4 spaces, so we need 5 divides, each at 100mm, like so. So the overall length is 2400, so we have 5 of these, so that's 500. We take that away, 0, 9, and we have 19. Okay, so we have 4 spaces, so we need to divide that by 4. It's 475. So between each panel is 475. So starting from the left here, actually down to place it. I'll put up my first one, put it in position. Then I get my tape and I measure across 475. Get my next board into position, square it up, put one pin there. As I say, you can use turbo bond instead if you don't want to fill in the nails. Move it across slightly. There we go. And so on. The whole way across. Into position. Check it. Next one I have almost in position there again, just check it. Yeah, there we go. Like so. Check the top. And last one in the corner. As I say, it's demo purposes. Then we got our top rail, which is 100mm as well. Put it into position. Like so. I know I have a pre-cut. In. And lastly, our top rail. Put that in. Tap it down. And we have a simple but very effective wall paneling. In our next video, I'll show you how to enhance that a little bit more.